Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So dear friends, today I have bring another awesome crypto project that is called Ethereum Felpines. So the ticker is ETHPH. So dear friends, its sale is live now. You can also participate and buy it right now. So dear friends, I will explain each and everything later to this amazing project. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request on the currency.ph where you can discover a billions-dollar digital asset industry in the Philippines. So here you will find out the Ethereum Felpines. So the liquidity pool is available on Uniswap, and now you can secure your ETHPH tokens as we create wealth-based businesses in the Felpines through blockchains initiatives and technology. So they are creating billions-dollar industries and are given earning, so ownership and control to token holder with decentralized technology. So definitely this is a 1 USDT per token today, 500 USDT per token everywhere, once in a lifetime opportunity that's available to anyone. So dear friends, it is built on a base, and base is built on Ethereum and offers a secured network for transferring digital asset on the blockchain. So here you can also check out the Uniswap liquidity pool as well, and you can also check out the certificate authority contract address as well. Now you can also buy your tokens here on Uniswap, and it is very easy. You buy here, and here you can also check the name of the project is Ethereum Felpines, symbol is ETHPH, and here you can also check out blockchains Ethereum based live to network open source, and here you can also check out the total supply mentioned. So it is 10 million USDT. So first of all, we learn about its price chart on DEX Screener. So here you can also check out its current price, which is WETH, and you can also check out 2.4 million liquidity, and the total flow $9.8 million, and market cap is $9.8 million is. So it have a massive potential inside, and DFS it can really help to make a lot of profit. So you can also check out potential inside, and everyone everywhere try to buy this one. Now if you want to be buy, you can come on the Uniswap, and you can find out link in my video description. So here you can select any cryptocurrency which you want to be spent here. So like that I am choosing WETH here with ETHPH. So here we need to enter our amount, how much we want to be spent. Like that, if you want to be spent 0.1 WETH, you can get 343.906 ETHPH. So this is a great opportunity, and you must be buy it right now, but do your own research before investing in this project as well. So here we can also check out more information, and defense if you want to be buy Ethereum Felpines for 1 USDT, 1 USDT on Uniswap today, 500 USDT everywhere tomorrow. Here you need to enter your full name, email, and buy Ethereum Felpines for 1 USDT right now. Here if you want to be make payments using Gcash, you need to enter your first name, last name, email, enter your phone number and recipient wallet address, and payment amount in PHP as well. Now buy Ethereum in Philippines, very easy way to buy from here as well. So here you can also check out the project development timeline and media about, and you can also watch the video and learn more information as well. Now you can also download trusted and secure wallet like that MetaMask or coins, and you can also connect with Uniswap and buy it right now as well. So here you can also check out the nationwide brand that accept Ethereum Felpines like that Felpines brands and Felpines birds and Siliyoshi, Japanese restaurants, and some international like that Perfect Health Science as well. So coming soon, here you will be check out all information on it as well. So here if you want to be subscribed to the currency community newsletter, you need to enter your full name, email, and recipient wallet address right now, and you will get 0.001 One Ethereum Felpines token available for a short period of time. Payments are verified using Base network as well. So here you can also check out more information. So this is an awesome project and you have a golden chance to invest in this amazing project that can really help you make a lot of profit. So dear fans, token sale will be end very soon, only 29 days, 21 hours and 26 minutes are left. So don't miss this golden chance and must become on Uniswap and must be invest your amount here and buy it right now. It can really help to make a lot of profit in future as well. I hope so you like this video. Share with your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.